Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Oneplus Nord N10 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back card on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, using a heat gun, apply heat to soften the glue on the fingerprint button. Next, hold the Touch ID button and pull out the back cover from the body. Next, undo 4 screws to take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, take out the SIM tray. Next, take out the mid frame by undoing 11 screws from the top and bottom. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to clear the plastic clips. Next, unplug the battery connector on the right hand side. Next, disconnect 2 antenna heads from the main board. Next, disconnect the primary and LCD ribbon cables from the board. Next, undo the screw and then gently lift the logic board using a tweezer. Next, pull out the earpiece by applying heat. Next, pull out the power flex by applying heat. Next, pull out the volume flex by applying heat. Next, pull out the speaker cover by undoing 3 screws. Next, undo the primary cable, peel the body's antenna cable, and then gently pry and pull out the charging board with the headphone jack. Next, take off the vibrator motor by applying heat. Next, take out the battery. First, loosen the adhesives on the sides and pull them by the side thread tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. Next, move the battery protective tape to the left hand side to peel the main flex from the body. While removing, make sure to move the adhesive strip from the edge. Now, the only remaining part is a broken screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are 2 different screen types in the market. The one is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, used, refurbished or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame. And also, the price difference is not that big. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. First, place the power flex. Next, place the volume flex. Next, secure the earpiece. Next, place and secure the main logic board by adding the screw, and also connect the LCD plug. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, place and secure the charging and headphone board with antennas. Gently place antennas in the frame and connect them into the main board. Next, place and connect the main flex from both ends. Place the adhesive strip and protective tape. Next, secure the speaker by adding 3 screws. Next, place the battery in the body and secure the adhesives and the connector. Next, secure the mid frame by adding 11 screws. Make sure clips are fastened before inserting screws. And also insert the SIM tray. Next, place and secure the camera lens with the frame by adding 4 screws. Next, before closing the device, it is a good practice to verify the functionality by powering up the device. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.